Hello, I'm Smita Pendaka. Okay, so let's take a numerical from the chapter Gravitation. The question asked us, what is the decrease in the weight of a body of mass 500 kg when it is taken into a mine of depth 1000 meter and radius of the earth is given as 6400 kilometer. So from the question, the information which we have is mass of the body is given to us, to what depth it is taken inside, that is mentioned. Radius of the earth is given to us. This is in kilometer, so we'll write it in terms of meters, that is 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter. We are converting kilometer to meter and we are also shifting the decimal position, so I'm writing 6.4. Kilometer to meter is 1 kilometer is 1000 meter, and in addition 3 positions we are shifting over here towards the left, so more 3 10 raised to we get, so it becomes 10 raised to 6 over here. They've asked us to find out what is decrease in weight. Okay, now in gravitation chapter we have learned that on the surface of the earth the value of g is 9.8. As you start going above the surface of the earth or you go into the interior of the earth, the value of g starts to decrease. To find out weight is nothing but the product of mass into the corresponding gravity. So if we enter in the interior of the earth, the value of gravity decreases, so corresponding weight will also decrease. So at depth d, the relation between the gravity is g at a depth d is nothing but g, that is gravity on the surface of the earth, in the bracket 1 minus d by r. So this much reduction takes place, that when multiplied with gravity value, so overall value will decrease, so gd will be a value lesser than that of g, which is 9.8. g is a standard value, 9.8 should be known to you. Even if it is not mentioned anywhere, you are supposed to take that value. So this is the relation. They have asked us to find out what is the decrease in weight. Because the gravity value decreases, the corresponding weight will also decrease. So decrease in weight will be the weight of the body on the surface of the earth minus what is the weight when it is at a depth 1000 meter out here. So weight will be mg on the surface of the earth. At depth d, the weight will be mass into gd. Mass does not depend upon where the object is, be it on the surface, at a height h, or below the surface in the interior, but it depends upon the gravity value. So when you take the product, the overall weight undergoes a change. So in place of w and wd over here, we'll introduce the corresponding terms. So mg minus of, in place of gd we are going to introduce this part, so we get minus mg bracket 1 minus d by r. When we open the bracket out here, we observe that mg, it gets cancelled, and what we are left with is mg into d by r. So we have to substitute the values over here, do the calculation, and we'll get directly what is the decrease in weight. So in place of m, g, d and r, we introduce the corresponding terms. I'll try to reduce the zeros out here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 6 are there. So if we cancel off the 5 zeros, what we are left with is 5 into 9.8 upon 6.4 into 10. After decimal 1 number, after decimal 1 digit, so we can cancel off, that is multiplying with 10 in the numerator and denominator. 5 ones are 2s are, and 2 and 98 are reduced, so this is what I get, 49 by 64. Now directly we can do normal division, or we'll go for log over here. So log of 49 minus log of 64. The characteristic will be 49 2 digit, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1.49 under 0, 6902, 64 characteristic will be 1 point, and 64 under 0 is 8062. So we have to subtract from 1.6902 1.8062. We'll take the difference, so we get it as bar 1.8840. The value which is obtained, we find out its anti-log. So 0.88 under 4 we find out in the anti-log section. So it turns out to be 7656. These are the 4 digits we write. Immediately once you write the 4 digit, after the first number put the decimal, and into bar 1 we are not taken into consideration, so that is written as 10 raised to whatever the index. So if I get 1 point, I'll write 10 raised to 1. If I get bar 2, I should write 10 raised to minus 2. So here it is bar 1, so I'll write 10 raised to minus 1. So we shift the decimal, so it becomes 0.7656. Because we are finding out the weight, unit will be Newton. So this is the decrease in weight for a body of mass 500 kg when it is taken to a depth of 1000 meter.